Good morning, students. Now, today we will learn our continuation of lesson number 6, that is knowing about formulas. Okay. Now, in the first chapter of this, also we have learned some formulas. Now, here you will learn some further formulas which you can use in Excel. Okay. Now, in that first one is your count IFS. Okay. Now, what is this formula? What result does it gives you? To count a number of cells based on the multiple conditions. Here you can use the multiple conditions. Two conditions at the same time you can use here. Now, what are the two conditions? See here. One sheet is there where I written the student result and division. Okay. Now, what formula? For formula, what you will do first? You will write the equals to sign. What you will do? You will insert first the equals to sign. You will write the formula, or you can take it from the function fx. See which is there from here, fx. Okay. Afterwards, what you will select now, b2, which is your first condition, b2. Now b2 column, what is b2? In b2 column, the result and the name, correct, is to b11 till where it is b11, the names are written, correct, comma. Now here you have to keep in mind that the comma, the double inverted comma, brackets are very much important. If you will forgot to do that, you will get no answer. Okay. If you will miss it, you will not get an answer. So that I will explain you afterwards what is that. Now comma, what I have written, pass. And in the second condition, C2 is to C11, which is the division, where I have written the first, second, like that. And here what a condition I had given, first. Okay. So according to that, what I want in these two conditions, that the student should be pass and he should be first. So like that, how much are there? See, Raj is there, then Shivam is there, correct? How much are there? 2. Why only 2? Because pass are many, but who are the first? Which is the second condition given? First. So only division first. Who are there? Raj and Shivam. So only 2. So only the result will be 2. Okay. Now second one is your average. Now this function gives you the average of the numbers. Whichever you will select, okay, whichever range you will select, you will get the average of that. Means the starting cell and the ending cell. Suppose there is a mark sheet. See here, our names are written, question 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So average of the, from this first number to the last question, question first to question 4. So the average of these marks is 74. The average of the second one is 67. So I had selected which cell here, from suppose B2 till B5, correct. So I had selected like that. So I had got the average as 67. Okay. So whichever range you will select, of that you will get the average of that numbers. Maximum. Now what is the maximum? These functions displays you the greatest value. Okay. यहाँ पे जिसको ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिले हैं, ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू है, उसका मार्क्स खाली आपको हाईलाइट हो जाएगा. Now here also whatever you will select the range. Now which range I had selected here? Total score. From the total score I had selected from first till last. and which is the highest marks there? 285. So my result is 285. But your formula will be what? Equals to max max max. See, I had shown here. Max C7 to C12. Now, in whichever column your marks or total scores are there, that you will select. Okay, and afterwards you will press the enter key, you will get it. Now, minimum. Now, what is this minimum function? Like maximum, it is the greatest value. In the minimum, what will be there? The least value means the less value or the lower value. Okay. Now, from 1 to 10, which is the lower value? 1, and which is the greatest value? 10. Okay. So, same way here also the same condition you will use. See, here also I had given some sheet that name test 1, test 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, minimum marks for Hannah is 64. Minimum value means the least value or lower value. So, see in the first one 64, correct. Now, in the first chapter I will explain you about the fill handle. Okay. What is this fill handle? See, you can see here. This dot one dotted point, that is a fill handle. After getting the first value, you can drag it down till down wherever you want, and wherever your data till your data is there, and you can stretch it down by the help of mouse. So you get the answers of all the data. Okay, no need to type it again your formulas. So in the second one, which is the least value, 77, third 82. Okay, got it? What is the minimum? Now using the text formula. Now what is this text formula? Text formula can be used to add two text values or a string using the AND sign. Which sign? AND. Now A and D AND nahi. Which? Now how can you press this sign? With the help of shift key. Okay, with the help of shift key, and you will get the sign there. Okay, which sign you will click? AND. Okay, now where is that AND sign? On the 7 number key on your keyboard, you will get that sign of AND. Okay, correct. Now see, what is that? Text formula. Now in the A, B, C, in the first column A1 I had written Rakesh, in B I had written Sharma. Now C, in the C I had written that text formula. Okay, so what is that text formula? Equals to A1. Now what is in A1? Rakesh. To mix the two values, text values, what I had used here? AND. Then double colon 2 times I had given, again and I had given, and B1. What is there in B1? Sharma. So what is my result here in the C? In the second one you can see Rakesh Sharma. Okay, Rakesh Sharma. Suppose if you are writing your name and your surname on in the two columns, two cells, and if you want to write it same, so you can use this formula and you can make it your name and your surname in one single cell. Correct? Understood? Yes. Now see here some error messages are there. Now what are the some common error messages here? Error messages means, see, first in this chapter only I told you some, if you are not giving any comma or double inverted comma, full stop, what, or arrows or brackets. So there are some error messages here. Now first one is here. This is not most of important, but then also I am explaining you. Hash div means division /0 means division, meaning is what? Division by 0. Now what it causes you, the division operation in your formula refers to a cell that contains the value 0, okay, or it says blank. In the second NA, data is not available. Suppose if you are writing any wrong value, okay, while entering the formula, so your no value available will become, means what, technically this is not an error value but a special value that you can manually enter into the cell to indicate that you don't yet have a necessary value. Whichever value you want to put, if you are not putting that value, then you will get what, an A. Name, hash name and question, means Excel does not recognize a name. If you are writing any name but it is not accepting it, okay, so at that time what you will get as a error, name. This error value appears when you incorrectly type the range name. If you are entering any name, okay, and you are, or any name or any, while selecting the range you are doing the mistake, you are selecting the wrong one, at that time you will get this cause or error. Null, invalid range operator used by the user. Operator means the plus, minus sign, multiplication sign, okay. So like this, if you are using the any other error, any other sign, symbol, so at that time you will get the null value. Num, NUM, problem with a number in the formula. When you are writing the formula, whatever number or whatever you write, that is wrong. Reference, invalid cell reference, okay. Now this error occurs when you delete a cell referred to in it, or if you are copying up or pasting the cells formula. And the next one is your value, when you type the wrong type of argument in a function or a wrong type of operator. Operator means plus, minus signs, okay. If you are typing it wrong, okay, at that time you will get a value error, okay. Thank you.